Hello everyone, and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ, and I hope everybody is having a great Saturday morning. Because it's Saturday, me and my little helpers get to pick the winners of our videos posted between September 8th and September 13th. For anyone new to the channel, we enjoy doing bill searches and coin roll hunts, and we give away something we find from every hunt. To enter any of these giveaways, all you have to do is comment on the video and then be sure to watch our Saturday winners video every Saturday at noon to see if you won. So here's what we're giving away today. First off, on September 8th, someone that commented on our comment video is going to win this pair of 1967 Kennedys. And then someone that commented on our quarter hunt video posted on September 10th is going to win this 1942 silver quarter that we found. Someone that commented on last week's winners video, just like today's video, is going to win this pair of 40% Kennedys. I believe it's a 67 and a 68. And then someone that commented on last Sunday's half-dollar hunt is going to win this 1964 90% Kennedy that we found during that hunt. And that hunt, we found so much silver, we're actually going to have two giveaways. So a second person that commented on that video is going to win this pair of 67 Kennedys. Just a quick reminder, if you win, you need to claim your prize within 7 days by emailing me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com and let me know your YouTube channel name. That way we can connect your email with your YouTube name, and then I can shoot you a link so that way you can claim your prize on my website, robinhoodcoins.com. That way you put in your information for shipping, and that way I don't mess it up, and then we'll get it shipped out to you. So let's go ahead and pick those winners. All right, everybody, so I went ahead and got both of my little helpers.
Hello!
And they're going to help me pick the winners. So we're going to kick it off with the comment video from last week. And the littlest helper, how many comments?
207.
And the little helper?
Terry
Nofzinger? Deliver
the silver.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? Deliver the silver. Well, congratulations, Terry Nofzinger. You won the pair of 40% Kennedys.
224.
224 comments on our quarter hunt video.
J.J. Awesome. Good luck, everyone.
Well, congratulations, J.J. You win that 1942 silver quarter. The littlest helper has already moved on to the Saturday winners video.
240.
You can read it. Virginia.
Native 1968. Congrats to winners. Thanks, TJ and the little helpers.
You are very welcome. Congratulations, Virginia Native 1968. And you win that pair of 80% or pair of 40% Kennedys. And the littlest helper has already got us on to the half-dollar hunt.
267.
All right, so let's get the first winner for the little helper to read off.
And this too?
And read it nice and loud.
Oh, yeah, it is. Thurston Point. Wow, now that's some hot silver boxes. Plus, I always love a good-looking proof.
Well, congratulations, Tristan LaPointe. You win the 1964 Kennedy. And then the littlest helper is going to refresh the comments because we have one more winner. And go ahead and pick the final winner for the last pair of 40% Kennedys. Little helper, read it off and read it nice and loud.
Silver Turtle 65. I'm glad you scored some silver. I'm on my fourth skunk box.
Well, sorry you've had your fourth skunk box, but you just won a pair of 40% Kennedys. And congratulations and thank you for watching. And thank you all winners, but don't forget to email me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com and let me know your YouTube channel name so that way I can connect that and send you a link to claim your prize.
For the Robinhood Coins giveaway for today's video is this 80%er, which is really two 40%ers, a 67 and a 68 Denver.
As always, to enter the giveaway, just comment on this video and then be sure to watch next Saturday's winner's video to see if you won.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos or giveaways. We will see you on the next hunt.